Towering gods, genetic engineers, and the creators of humanity, the Anunnaki are one of the most intriguing and mysterious figures in ancient Mesopotamian mythology. But who were these enigmatic deities, and what was their true role in shaping the course of human civilization? Prepare to uncover the startling secrets of the Anunnaki in this captivating exploration. In the ancient land of Sumer, where the mighty Tigris and Euphrates rivers flowed, there lived a pantheon of deities unlike any other. These were the Anunnaki, a powerful and influential group of gods and goddesses believed to be the offspring of the supreme sky god and the bountiful earth goddess Ki. The legends tell us that these enigmatic beings came to Earth some 450,000 years ago. But their reasons for visiting our world were not purely divine in nature. The Anunnaki were a group of ancient Mesopotamian deities that featured prominently in Sumerian, Akkadian, Babylonian, and Assyrian cultures. Their exact numbers, physical descriptions, and specific roles varied across the different ancient texts, but they were generally considered to be the most powerful gods in the pantheon. In early Sumerian texts, the Anunnaki were described as descending from the sky god and were seen as the most important and powerful deities. Later, they became known as the seven judges who sit upon the throne in the underworld. Some accounts depict the Anunnaki as humanoid in appearance, while others describe them as more enigmatic, supernatural beings. The Anunnaki's origins and true nature remain shrouded in mystery, with scholars debating the accuracy and interpretation of the ancient sources. Despite the ambiguity, the Anunnaki were undoubtedly a central part of the religious and mythological beliefs of ancient Mesopotamia. Their influence can be seen in many of the region's most important stories and legends, including potential connections to biblical tales like the Garden of Eden and the Great Flood. However, many scholars are skeptical of claims linking the Anunnaki to extraterrestrial origins or advanced ancient technology. Critics argue the connections made between the Anunnaki and modern myths are based on flimsy evidence and personal opinions rather than rigorous scholarship. The physical evidence of Anunnaki worship is also limited, with most knowledge coming from ancient texts that often contradict each other. The Anunnaki feature prominently in the mythology and religious beliefs of ancient Mesopotamia, particularly in Sumerian, Akkadian, Babylonian, and Assyrian cultures. According to these ancient texts, the Anunnaki were a pantheon of powerful deities who played a central role in the creation and governance of the world. At the heart of Anunnaki mythology is the belief that they originated from the sky god and, descending to Earth to establish dominion over the realm of mortals. The Anunnaki were seen as the most important and powerful gods in the Mesopotamian pantheon, with a complex hierarchy and division of responsibilities. A key aspect of Anunnaki mythology is their role in the creation of humanity. Sumerian texts describe how the Anunnaki genetically engineered humans from existing hominids, imbuing them with advanced intelligence and capabilities to serve as laborers and worshippers. The Anunnaki were said to have come to Earth from the planet Nibiru in order to mine gold, which they used to repair their own planet's atmosphere. Some scholars believe the Anunnaki's interactions with early humans may have inspired biblical stories like the Garden of Eden and the Great Flood. In these myths, the Anunnaki are depicted as both benevolent and malevolent, capable of bestowing great knowledge and technology while also subjugating and punishing humanity. Prominent Anunnaki deities include Anu, the supreme ruler, Enlil, the ruler of earth, Enki, the god of wisdom and water who created the first humans, and Inanna, the goddess of love and war. The Anunnaki were believed to engage in complex power struggles and conflicts, mirroring the political and social dynamics of the ancient Mesopotamian civilizations that revered them. However, the precise nature, origins, and roles of the Anunnaki remain shrouded in mystery, with much of our knowledge coming from fragmented and often contradictory ancient texts. The accuracy and interpretation of these mythological accounts continue to be debated by scholars, with some skeptical of the more fantastical claims linking the Anunnaki to extraterrestrial origins or advanced ancient technology. The Anunnaki have captured the imagination of many, with theories about their extraterrestrial origins and advanced technological influence on ancient civilizations. However, these claims have faced significant skepticism and criticism from the academic community. One of the primary points of contention is the lack of solid archaeological and historical evidence supporting the existence of the Anunnaki as described in fringe theories. While Sumerian, Akkadian, Babylonian, and Assyrian texts do mention the Anunnaki, the details and interpretations of these ancient sources are highly debated. Skeptics argue that the Anunnaki were likely symbolic representations of natural forces, celestial bodies, or spiritual concepts, rather than literal extraterrestrial beings. Furthermore, some of the most prominent proponents of the Anunnaki theory, such as Zecharia Sitchin, have been accused of mistranslating and misinterpreting Sumerian texts to fit their own preconceived narratives. Sitchin's ideas have been heavily criticized by scholars for their lack of scientific rigor and consistency with established historical and archaeological evidence. Many academics also express skepticism about the claims of the Anunnaki's advanced technological influence on ancient civilizations. They argue that the connections made between the Anunnaki and modern myths, such as the Garden of Eden and the Great Flood, are tenuous and based more on speculation than solid evidence. Critics contend that the proponents of the Anunnaki theory often cherry-pick and misinterpret ancient texts to support their extraordinary claims, without considering alternative explanations or the broader context of Mesopotamian mythology and culture. The physical evidence of Anunnaki worship and influence remains quite limited, further fueling skepticism among mainstream scholars. The Anunnaki remain one of the most intriguing and enigmatic figures in ancient Mesopotamian mythology. Their origins, descriptions, and roles in the pantheon have captivated the imaginations of scholars and the public alike for centuries. While the Anunnaki feature prominently in Sumerian, Akkadian, Babylonian, and Assyrian texts, the true nature of these deities continues to be shrouded in mystery. Were they literal extraterrestrial beings who interacted with and influenced early human civilizations? Or were they symbolic representations of natural forces and spiritual concepts? The debate rages on, with passionate advocates on both sides. Mainstream academics remain highly skeptical of the more fantastical claims linking the Anunnaki to advanced ancient technology and extraterrestrial origins. They argue that the evidence is simply too thin and the interpretations too speculative to support such extraordinary conclusions. Yet the allure of the Anunnaki endures. Their stories and characters continue to captivate our imaginations, inspiring new theories, books, and films that seek to unravel this enduring enigma. Whether the Anunnaki were real or mythical, their legacy lives on as a testament to the power of human creativity and the enduring mysteries of the ancient world. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the enigmatic world of the Anunnaki. If you found this video intriguing and want to delve deeper into the mysteries of the ancient world, be sure to subscribe to our channel. On Just Relax Man, we're dedicated to uncovering the hidden histories, mythologies, and archaeological wonders that have captivated humanity for millennia. From the lost civilizations of Mesopotamia to the enigmatic monuments of the ancient world, we'll take you on a captivating exploration of the past. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos that shed light on the enduring riddles of antiquity. You'll also have the opportunity to engage with our community, share your own insights and theories, and help us unravel the most perplexing puzzles of the ancient world. Also, please like and share to everyone you know. So if you're ready to embark on a journey of discovery, hit that subscribe button and join us as we dive deeper into the mysteries of the Anunnaki and beyond. Together, let's uncover the secrets that have eluded us for generations and gain a richer understanding of our shared human heritage. The past holds the key to unlocking the future. Let's explore it together. Thank you until next time.